Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. It's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you this really cool oil paint effect within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple step-by-step process for you to follow, but you can really create some cool effects that you can use across many forms of graphic design. And I'm going to show you the processes and the steps that you need to take to create such an effect. Okay, so what I'm now going to do is just come through and just highlight that layer. I'm going to press backspace to remove it and start off with our original image. Now with that layer highlighted, I'm now going to come to image adjustments and I'm going to use posterize. Now we can increase the number of levels for this particular posterization, but what I want to do is come through and increase the levels to probably around 8. Let's press OK. Now, with that layer still highlighted, I'm now going to come to Filter, Stylize, and Oil Paint. Okay. Now, if you keep these measurements here, let's keep the stylization at 10, the cleanliness at 10, the scale at 0.01, bristle detail 0, 90 for the angle there, and 0.2 for the shine. Okay. So now if you press OK, as you can see, we have created that oil paint effect very easily, but very, very impressive. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, guys, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.